Are you still watching TV from the wrong angle? Then it's time to discover the Amazon Basics Full Motion TV Wall Mount. The perfect solution for anyone looking for more comfort, convenience, and a modern look for their living room, bedroom, or office. With its fully articulating design, you can easily swivel, tilt, and extend your TV to find the perfect viewing angle. Whether you're watching movies, TV shows, sports, or playing video games, you'll enjoy a better viewing experience with reduced glare and a clear picture from almost anywhere in the room. Made from high-quality, heavy-duty steel, this wall mount is built to provide outstanding strength, stability, and long-lasting durability. It securely supports your television while allowing smooth and reliable movement whenever you need to adjust the screen. In addition to improving your viewing experience, this mount helps save valuable space by keeping your TV securely mounted on the wall, giving your room a cleaner, more organized, and more modern appearance. Installation is quick and straightforward, and the necessary mounting hardware is included, making it easy to set up your TV with confidence and safety. Whether you're installing your TV in the living room, bedroom, home office, or even the kitchen, this full motion mount gives you the flexibility to position the screen exactly where you want it for maximum comfort. Thousands of customers trust this Amazon Basics TV mount because of its excellent quality, reliable construction, and outstanding value for the price. It's a smart investment that enhances your entertainment experience while keeping your TV safe and secure. Don't miss this opportunity. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to check the latest price and order yours today.